The best 3 batteries for an off-grid energy system. Before we tell you what 3 batteries we recommend for your alternative energy system's battery bank, it's important to first note that you don't have to buy the 3 batteries we recommend brand new. Because of the falling prices of renewable energy systems, more and more people are looking to use alternative energy sources as a way to save money, become more energy independent, and break their dependence on the big energy companies. However, installing a renewable energy system, in most cases, requires you to make a considerable initial investment that you won't get back for several years. One of the biggest expenses associated with alternative energy systems is the batteries in the battery bank, so choosing the correct batteries for your off-grid system is crucial, and keeping the batteries alive as long as possible is also critically important. You don't have to buy new overpriced batteries. Instead, you can use the Easy Battery Reconditioning program to get old or used batteries for free or dirt cheap. Recondition them back to like new condition. Then use those recondition like new batteries in your alternative energy systems battery bank instead of buying new overpriced batteries. Doing this will save you a considerable amount of money when building a battery bank, and it helps make alternative energy accessible to those with a tighter budget. What are the best batteries for an off-grid energy system? The 3 favored batteries for an off-grid system's battery bank. Number 1. Golf cart batteries. Golf cart batteries are the most widely manufactured batteries on this list. They also work great in an alternative energy system application, so it's no surprise that they're one of the most commonly used batteries in battery banks for renewable energy systems. Even though the 5 to 6 years lifespan of golf cart batteries may seem relatively short, golf cart more than make up for their deficiency in this area by being extremely durable and cheap. In addition, golf cart batteries can also be found almost anywhere, making them a great choice for battery banks. If you really want to build a high-quality but inexpensive battery bank, one of the best options is to get old or dead batteries from golf courses or golf cart shops for free or dirt cheap. Just call them and ask if you can have their old batteries, probably lying around and cluttering their shop. Then recondition those batteries to like new condition with the Easy Battery Reconditioning program. Use those reconditioned batteries in your battery bank. Number 2. Industrial or forklift batteries. A battery bank that uses one or more industrial batteries follows the opposite philosophy of a golf cart battery bank. Instead of relying on multiple strings of smaller batteries, you use a few or even one battery to store all of your energy. Because these batteries aren't usually manufactured to standard dimensions, you will have to have one made that is just right for your needs. Or you can try to find an old industrial or forklift battery that's the correct size for your system and use that. Like golf cart batteries, there are sometimes ways to get free or cheap forklift batteries. One way is to call up or visit industrial companies and see if they have old or dead forklift batteries. Offer to dispose of it for them or pay them a little bit. If they agree, you can then recondition the battery and use it instead of buying a new pricey industrial battery. But if you choose to get a new custom-made battery instead, you should expect to pay quite a bit. But the good news is these types of batteries are typically built to last 15 to 20 years. Other things to consider are, these bigger batteries will be heavier and more difficult to move around. There may be advancements in battery technology that could make the battery obsolete in years to come. But if you don't mind making a significant investment up front, anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000, and are alright with spending time keeping your batteries in top condition, then industrial batteries might be right for you. Number 3. L16 batteries. If you want batteries that have a little more capacity than golf cart batteries but don't want to spend on industrial batteries, L16 batteries are a good middle ground. These flooded lead-acid batteries were originally designed for supermarket floor scrubbers. The good thing with these batteries is that they last a bit longer than golf cart batteries, about 6 to 8 years. However, they are often twice as heavy, and the 6-volt models can be twice as expensive. Conclusion: different homes will have different power requirement and will need battery banks that are sized accordingly. If you build a battery bank using any of the 3 batteries mentioned above, you should be able to create a battery bank that is just right for your needs. There are some exciting new developments in the battery world for alternative energy. These new products should be entering the market over the next couple years, like the lithium-ion Tesla Powerwall. But at this time, our 3 favored batteries for residential off-grid alternative energy systems are golf cart batteries, L16 batteries, and industrial batteries. And if you're interested in saving money on your battery bank, you can use the Easy Battery Reconditioning program to learn how to get old or dead golf cart batteries, L16 batteries, or industrial batteries for free or dirt cheap. Recondition them back to 100% of their working condition. Use those, like new batteries, instead of buying new overpriced batteries to save a lot of money. Good luck with your battery bank. And happy battery reconditioning. Learn more, click the link below in the description.